If you're planning a trip to Mahabalipuram and specifically looking for the best private pool resort, the first thing to know is this. Mahabalipuram is no longer just a quick heritage stop from Chennai. It has become one of the strongest private pool staycation destinations on the East Coast Road, especially for couples, families, and weekend luxury travelers. And today, the best resorts here are no longer competing only on room quality. They are competing on privacy, villa design, and how secluded the private pool experience actually feels. Let's start with the most premium option. One of the top private pool resorts in Mahabalipuram is Kaldan Samudra Palace. This resort stands out because it does not feel like a standard beach resort. It is designed like a Rajput-style palace, which makes the entire stay feel very different from most coastal resorts in South India. Its top villa is over 4,300 square feet and comes with a large private infinity pool facing the Bay of Bengal. This is one of the biggest and most premium private pool villa setups in Mahabalipuram. It also includes a dedicated butler, in-villa dining, and a much more private luxury experience than standard hotel suites. If you want something more practical and balanced, Radisson Blu Resort Temple Bay is one of the safest choices. This is one of the most established resorts in Mahabalipuram and still one of the most popular. Its biggest advantage is location. It is very close to the Shore Temple, Krishna's Butterball, and other major heritage spots, which makes it ideal if you want sightseeing along with a resort stay. Its private pool villas are well designed for privacy, and the resort also has one of the most complete activity setups in the area. This includes multiple pools, golf, cycling, and one of the best beachfront dining setups in Mahabalipuram. It is also one of the few luxury resorts here that is pet-friendly, which makes it a practical option for families. If you prefer modern luxury, Sheraton Grand Chennai Resort and Spa is another strong option. This resort is more contemporary in design and works well for travelers who prefer modern interiors over heritage styling. Its private pool villas and suites are designed with clean layouts, smart room features, and large indoor-outdoor living spaces. One of its most popular experiences is the floating breakfast in the private pool, which has become a signature feature for couples. This is a strong option if you want a polished, modern luxury experience with predictable service. Another premium option is Intercontinental Chennai Mahabalipuram Resort. This resort is more understated and design-focused. Its standout accommodation is the Vilasa Suite, which includes a private pool designed around a more inward-facing layout. That means, instead of opening everything outward, the villa is built to feel more enclosed and secluded. This makes it one of the better options for couples who care more about privacy than open resort energy. If your main priority is maximum privacy and not a full resort environment, Manna Villa is one of the most interesting options. This is not a hotel. It is a standalone private villa with its own pool, lawn, and private space. For travelers who want complete control, no resort crowd, and a more home-style private stay, this is one of the strongest options in Mahabalipuram. Now let's talk about what actually matters when choosing the best private pool resort here. The biggest factor is privacy versus activity. Some resorts like Radisson and Sheraton are larger and better for families, but weddings and corporate events can sometimes make them noisier. Others, like Intercontinental or Manna Villa, are quieter and better for couples or travelers who want a more private stay. The second factor is villa style. Some villas are built for sea views. Others are built for complete enclosure and privacy. And that changes the entire experience. In simple terms, the best private pool resort in Mahabalipuram depends on your travel style. If you want ultra luxury and the biggest villa, Kaldan is one of the best. If you want the most balanced resort experience, Radisson Blu is the safest choice. If you prefer modern luxury, Sheraton works well. If you want quiet, design-focused privacy, Intercontinental stands out. And if you want maximum privacy without a resort crowd, Manna Villa is one of the best options. Mahabalipuram stands out because it offers something rare on the East Coast Road. Private pool stays that combine beach access, heritage, and real seclusion in one trip. Check the link in the description. Search the homestay name and book to get discount.